new pool. There you go. She's happy. Keep going, Peaches. Go for a dip. There you go. Well, at least we know you can't drown in this. There, you can play in that water all you want. My poor southern girl, she's so hot. Well, you gotta jump out of it, Peaches. Come on, baby girl. There you go. Look here, Peaches. Peaches. Peaches, leave Mommy's toes alone. Look here. There we go. You want to go back in? Come on. Go back in your pool, Peaches. Come on, get in your pool. Get in your pool. Get in there. You got to get in it. Your big belly can go in there. Mommy's not picking you up and putting you in it. Get in it, Peaches. Get in your pool. She's like, no, I ain't getting in it. Leave Mommy's toes alone, Peaches. Okay, Peaches, I'm going in.